Hi, it's Amy. I'm back with the journaling kit that I promised I would come back with for Christmas. This is a really cute little kit that I got off of Amazon, and I talked about it in the last video a bit with the stickers that I showed, but I wanted to give this its own video just because it is detailed. I was a little, I have to admit, I was a little, I don't want to say disappointed, but I thought it was very small compared to what I thought it looked like online. So if you're interested in getting something like that, just take that in mind. It might look huge on my screen here. I'll zoom out a little bit so you can kind of see like what it's the size compared to my hands. Ooh, I still have a nice little manicure going on. Not usual for me, but I got treated by my sister, who I appreciate it very much. And it's still looking good. So thanks to my sister for that. So here we go. I want to show you. It had a plastic top on it. I took that off so that it wouldn't be such a glare on the video. It has this really cute, I don't know, I'd say banner type of thing. It's like almost like a belly band that went on the front of it, which could be used as decoration too. You could put this on a, some kind of decor, or on a card. You could cut it up. You could use the sentiments. So remember, you can always just, look at things in a way. How can I use that? How can I be creative with that? So right away, I see this little journal in this collection, which I'll put that aside for a minute. It is a adorable little journal. However, it is tiny. It's about the size of my hand. So I don't know. I don't know how big my hand is, but I can't use my phone to show you, but my phone's like a 7-inch phone, and this is about the same size. Let me see. Yeah, see? If I bring it up, it would take up the whole phone. I don't know why I did that, but I was just trying to see if it really is about the same size. It's a little, it's a little bit wider, but it's about the same height. So about 7 inches. So it's really small, I guess is what I'm trying to get at. And just so you know, it's not a big journaling book at all. And it's so cute. It's, it's a notebook. They say notebook on here too, if you take off the cover, which this cover could be. If you decide you don't want to use this journaling book for Christmas, you could use this as pattern paper on a card. It's adorable. So the other thing, it's grid lined, which is fine, but I usually, when I'm looking at journal books and stuff, I like ones that are plain, just because I don't want things to, like, I wouldn't want these lines to show through all my stickers and everything, especially if you have clear stickers, the vinyl type. So I don't know I don't know why they did that. But anyway, this is like a review, so I'm gonna tell it like it is. That's what I do. So, okay, inside, this is so cute. Again, I'm not really sure why they added this, but it's like it's a little, little hat, little winter hat, and an adorable little scarf, right? I guess you could use this in your decorations. A little bulky for, like, to put on a card or whatever, but it's cute. I think it's just so cute. And then these little packets are little, like, tags and little die cuts and stickers, which I will show in a minute. I'll take those out. This is a little bit, little, I guess I think they might be sticky pads, but we'll see about that in a minute. Here's some washi tape. You got Merry Christmas. That's cute. Very small, very tiny. And little stockings and gifts and snowflakes. Okay, so I, again, was a little bit, I don't want to say disappointed, just a little surprised how small these items are. This was something, it wasn't an expensive little kit, but I thought, oh, it's cute, I want to try something like that out. I'm getting into journaling more, and I wanted to see what's out there. So, yeah, so this is some of the papers that come with it. Actually, not, these aren't papers, these are stickers. So you got, you know, little tiny stickers. Sorry. Make sure I don't come up too high. Oh, cute little ugly sweaters. Although some of them aren't ugly. Some of them are just cute. That one with the Santa Claus. I don't know if you can see that, but it's just the beard, so it looks like your head is the Santa Claus head. Very vintagey. Oh wow, that's like taking it from the last video. Like last video I showed was stickers for Peter Popper Press. Yeah, and a lot of vintagey stickers in that. So check that out if you really like the vintage stuff. Traditional Christmas. These are cute. These are really, you know, adorable little, but I mean, that's so tiny. Look how tiny this is. I can't see that. Like, what? I have no idea what that says. And I can see up close pretty well still, so. Here's some little dots. Oh, I love the plaids. Little plaid, like circles. It's cute. Plaid trees. And you got some sticker sentiments. Those are always great when you're doing like a card or, you know, for your journals, your scrapbooking, anything like that. It's wonderful to have those type of things available. So let's see what else is in this box. So you got a bunch of like random crafting papers. I'm not going to go through each one. You can kind of get the drift. They're very thin, which is okay. I mean, you can make them into tags or, you know, put them on cards. They would be probably kind of small cards. I mean, unless you double up or whatever. But anyway, those are nice. That's the very thin paper. It's not like cardstock. It's more like a printer paper. So it's, you know, kind of flimsy. Here's some more papers. These papers are pretty big. They wouldn't really fit in that little journal. So none of the papers actually fit on the journal pages. As you can see, this one is much bigger, and this one, I mean, this one would fit, right? But it's small. So they're not, nothing that comes in the box is really the right, you know, the size specifically to cover up one of the journal pages. And here's some square papers. Again, these are very thin. Let me just go through them quick. It's hard for me to spread them out as much. You get some really cute little designs. There's some, oh, those are sweet little, okay, I like that. That's cute. To put on like a tag, on tags. Cut them out with your hole punch or with a, just fussy cut them, or you could use this die. There's a really pretty scene. Old Christmas tree, plaid, that and that. Okay, so those are some cute papers. Again, very thin, very, like, thinner than most papers I use in crafting. But it was very inexpensive, so there you go. Here's some cute little Merry Christmas paper. Some trees. It's paper that like you might have printed out on your own, you know, printer, on your copier paper. Printer paper. That might even be thinner than that. But anyway, okay. So here's some cute little pattern papers. And real quick, I'll just show these are, I think these are stickers. So you know what I would suggest, this is like, because it's so tiny, I don't know if you can see me struggling to get it open because it's so small, but yeah, I'm pretty sure these are stickers. Let me just double check. Oh, teddy bear. I love teddy bears. Oh my goodness, it's so hard to, thought for sure they were stickers, but maybe they are die cuts. Nope, it is a sticker, it's coming off. It was just very hard. It's a oh, okay, they're washi tape stickers. So if you can see, this is like pretty translucent. It's very, very thin. I'd be afraid it would rip easily. Gotta put it right back on the sticker pack so I don't rip it up. But yeah, that's cute. Got some, chairs and couches and gifts. And oh, look at the cute little dog. Okay, so, a little gingerbread guy. There's some cute stuff in here. It's very tiny, though. Like, if you're a serious, crafter. Oh my gosh, see how tiny it looks on my screen? Yeah, this might be too little. It's probably good for a beginning journal person, maybe to give to a child, a little girl who might really love, doing journaling and wants to do some Christmas journaling. For me, it's a little too fussy, like too tiny for what I like to do, it's fine to pop on some tags or whatever, but it's hard for me to even hold on to the stuff because it's so tiny. Okay, so some of this stuff is a little bigger. I'll show you. These are mainly tags. Oh, let's just show. Okay, there's some labels in there. Little circle or greetings. Here you got more tags. And then you got there's some frames. Okay, it's kind of cute. This is definitely cardstock. These are die cuts, and the insides of the frames can be taken out and used by themselves. Have a very Merry Christmas. So yeah, so that's a crafting kit that I received from online. I'll in the details I'll tell you the name of it because I'm not sure that it has it on the box. But I did get it off Amazon. So if you Google, if you search on Amazon for junk journal kit, I think it was under, you can find this. Okay. Again, thank you for coming and meeting, seeing my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. I've got some really fun videos coming up, so don't miss out. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and, stay with me for this holiday season. We're gonna, get to see some fun stuff. It's coming out soon, so don't miss out. Thanks. Bye.